How to delete Google account permanently on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google account permanently on PC. In order to start the process, open your Google Chrome in your PC. Then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, click on Manage your Google account. Then click on Data and Privacy from the left corner. Now scroll down until you get the option of Delete your Google account. From here, you can delete your Google account. Here you need to agree with terms and conditions. After that, click on Delete Account. As you can see, your Google account and all its data have been deleted. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.